Yo, Wagwan Massive. Once a blessed love and big up and welcome to the channel again, you see? So we're there again for another reason. But before we go into reasoning, we want to say give thanks and much appreciation for the subscription, you see? All the people who just are joining in, we want to say welcome. You see me I say? So we want to just take a little look on what we call our culture differently still. And make we have one nice little reasoning still. You see it? I might ragging on my reasoning. And what me I gonna say same way too. So it welcome for people just chime in and give their opinion in a comment section same way too. You see it? Yeah. We see a whole heap of things are going in the community what we call Jamaica, and you understand? Whole heap of things are say people that talk all kind of different things about Buju Banton and whether or not he should get back a visa for go back in America, or people are question how comes he get back a visa for go in America and them kind of stuff. A whole heap of kind of things, you see? But before me even talk about that differently still, me just want to say differently. You see, the moment you give away your power to think for yourself, you kind of defeat yourself. Because I realize Jamaican people, we like ourselves a leader. So we always a quest for the next leader. You always hear people that talk about the next Bob Marley. When a musician rise up in the business or in the culture, once him do reggae music and him bring the culture music power vibration way, it connect to people certain kind of way. We start to compare them to the person before them. So Bob Marley, him are the pinnacle of the culture music. So everybody else come after. We compare them and them say the next Bob Marley, the next Bob Marley. So we always look for one next leader. We look for one next Marcus Garvey. The politician them look for one next Joshua them. You understand? Everybody look for somebody who they may have some kind of trust in a same way too. And them sitting here work on the people them psyche. Seeing so we always look for one leader. And then when time people come out now as entertainers, and we must look on the people them for what they are, you know. We have to understand that this entertainment thing is a business. Whether them do culture music or whether them do dancehall, what we call dancehall music. Them do it for a profit. Some money involved in it. So it's a business. People talk about their career and all kind of things when you listen to them in their interview. So obviously what them do is to take care of their family, take care of their loved ones, take care of their business, because that's what them day night for do. Because all of this, it starts from somewhere, you know. There was a need for certain kind of music at certain kind of time, or in a period of time we did need an avenue for vent whatever people are experience at the time when them are experience them thing. So one at a time now, Jamaica, when I go through one kind of struggle where them talk about liberation struggle. Seeing so people want to be free, people want to decide their own destiny and them kind of things. So you hear that reflect in the music. When people want equality, justice, and all kind of things, because them see the system carry out injustice upon a set of people, a certain demographics in a society. When them see society now handle certain kind of ill treatment or certain kind of malpractice, the cries come out in the music. So people rebel through the music. So you hear rebel music and them kind of things. See? And them things resonate with people. So people always look to the artists them as somehow a leader for the struggle what them a go through. But now what we do now, we take away the power what we have for ourselves, to think for ourselves, and analyze things to ourselves, question things to ourselves, and learn to accept things as what it is, because we go end up in a confusion. So you see, one time we give the artists them the kind of power what we give to them, where we put them like in some kind of messianic kind of stature in our life, like we see them as some Christ, we put them as some God figure in our life. Now we give away our power, we think for ourselves. So now the artists them now become the people who dictate what we call the culture to the people. This is how you're supposed to live. This is what you're supposed to do. And because we look to all of these people and all of these agencies and organizations for leadership, them things it affect with psyche differently, you know, and it deep rooted, you know, and sometimes it's subconscious. So we are operate and we don't even realize how much we get caught into the whole scheme of things. Because watch you know. You see, Jamaica, we look for leadership in a religion and certain places, politics and them kind of thing. You see? So if you notice, in our culture we have three God. It might sound funny when I say still, you know, but we must just pay attention to it and follow the story. Watch you now. You see, in the Christian music, them have one God named Jesus Christ. In the Rasta music, you have one God named Haile Selassie. And you see in the dancehall, what we call dancehall music, there is one mythical figure where me go call him one God named Badman. See? Because if you notice in a dancehall music, Badman tell the artists them a lot of things to tell the people them. And we don't know who is this Badman where I give the artists them so much law, so much different principles and codes to live off of. See? Because if you listen to all of the Badman song them, you know, as them say a Badman song them, but you can point out this particular person who is called Badman, who give the DJ them all of them laws and rules and regulation and codes and all of them things for pass on in a people and tell we say this is our culture and this is how we supposed to live. Because if we are good people and we want to be good people, why we get rules and regulation from one mythical figure, one named Badman? Who is this Badman where the DJ them talk about? Alright. Me grew up in a time when decency will mean much to the community. You see? I can tell you, say, in my community where me grow, the entire community grow me. See? I'm a country youth, I'm there everywhere, I'm there in everybody yard. People can tell me say, go home in my yard, the time for me go home in my yard, and I have to do that. I can't pass people on the road and I say, good morning, and them kind of things. You see? So when I hear people say, dancehall with culture, and we use the term there so loosely to say, this is our culture. See? Say dancehall a Jamaica culture. And me a question them things there because me growing at a time when dancehall activity are we want adult entertainment space. Because before dancehall become a genre of music, dancehall was a space. I want place where name dancehall. I want whole heap of activity going within that space there. Because that space there was an adult entertainment space. And in a them time there, people never see them kind of activity there were when go on in that space there as nothing for we take no kind of moral, you understand, emulation from. Cause me remember in a them time there, when time me I grew up still, when people are talk about prostitution, prostitute when come like one anomaly, like you don't know who is a prostitute, cause them things are where so secret things. See? And them things that used to go on within the space of what we call dancehall. Gambling go on in a dancehall. All kind of things go on in a dancehall. Corruption, fighting, murder go on in a dancehall. See? But now the artists them now start to tell the story of what was happening within that space. And the name attached to the genre. And them call it dancehall music. Because it's an expression of what was happening within that space, that adult entertainment space. So you have go-go dancing a go on. You have prostitution, as me said, go on. You have people that sell drugs and they're sitting there. Corruption of fight, people are getting a fight over gambling and knife pop out and people get hurt and all kind of things. So the artists them now start to express that in a some poetic form and tell the stories of what used to happen in a dancehall. Because if you understand the levels where dancehall come from, that's why dancehall have this kind of misogynistic kind of thing about it with part. Then look down upon women. But are the women they when they operate within the space there? The battery dolly them and the skettle boom them and you understand? Within that space there. But now we see openly whispered people just bring prostitution and certain kind of, you understand, degrading kind of mentality propagate through the music and then we call it with culture. But we have to understand who and how we allow ourselves to be influenced by. Because one time when people used to do kind of rude boy music and then like the glorification of a certain hurt and trauma to people, it were more like a defense or more like a getting people organized together. But the thing changed with part them just sing murder music and them sing songs where they glorify reckless lifestyle. You understand? And then we parade them things there and say them things there with culture. And we accept certain kind of things and them things they are influence we youth them. And it has shaped the direction where the country are go. I'm see an article where they talk about like they must say people now have enough children, like they must say the population of Jamaica like it a decrease or whatever, you see? And they might blame it on rum drinking. See it? But me just a question little things same way too, cause you don't know. When time me I grew up and me know some rum drinker different still. And all of them rum drinker there were man where they drink and a stagger and a drop and people have to lift them up, carry them at their yard. And them man they have enough pitney. So my question is like, how them used to manufacture rum, the rum? Them change the ingredients. What they go on in the place, Cause watch out, you see if we wanna get proper business directive from the entertainer them where they in a business, entertainment business. If they wanna help the people them to make proper financial decision, it them body and not so body now. But the people them love them people here blindly to the point where them just allow them for just think for them and dictate their own perception upon them. For them perception of life and what them propagate through their music, and people just grab onto it and live to it and say, yeah, and we just idolize them people and just make them become some god in our life. And them tell we how to think. See? Because we give away we power of that. We don't want to think for ourselves anymore. If the man wanna give some sound financial advice and them kind of things, you see? So them just talk about bragging and, you understand, reckless lifestyle and fast cars and guns and all of them things that contribute to the destruction, not only the culture but the people. Yeah, talk about, because if you don't have no people, you don't have no culture, you know. See? And them things that are kind of propagate some kind of lifestyle where it'll bring destruction to the people. Them. See? Because if the population decrease and them a blame it on rum, I may I say if the rum ingredients change or who they make the rum them, you know. See? Because we have to pay attention to them things, you know. Who they feed with. See? So you see if the artists them when they take it upon themselves to wise up the people then would then be more, you understand, more worthwhile to the culture. But it's almost like the man them upon a campaign for bring destruction to the people them. Me hear them talk about the youth them bring destruction to the culture. Me talk about destruction to the people them. See? Because if them encourage certain kind of behavior and them sing about them kind of things there, special and rum and all of this and all of them things there, and people are say it a contribute to the low sperm count, so people now, you understand? So if we are look on it on the consumption aspect there, we have to question who they feed with and why we are consume the things them what we are consume. And who the artists them a work for when time them a promote them kind of lifestyle. Cause that lead right back down to who they go own up the land them in a bridge. See? Cause sometimes hear Queen Africa talks on things, yeah? And I know say it go over enough people head, you know, because probably we there in one like a angry kind of vibes when time Queen Africa talk, or probably how she express herself. We not like it, so we make a lot of what she say go over we head. Cause we get feed pan enough lie, you know. Whole heap of lie we get feed pan. And because we get caught up in the fast life and the quick runnings and the hustling and the bustling, all I to go over we head. But the people them who they in control, them a collect data. Them know what they happen. Them know what they go along with the population. So whether we are increasing the numbers or we are decrease. And why people are get, you understand? To the point where the population are decrease and you have people who they encourage the behavior to make that happen. See? Because that's a one aspect, you know. Because why my question say, how comes them all man they were used to drink rum and junk, them have one whole heap of pitney in a them time there, in comparison to now. Because enough things change through modernization same way too, you know. And them can't only blame the man them say, and now the man them, you understand? I feel the man them fault why them sit there. Because guess what? The women them have access to birth control and them kind of things. You see, so all of them things there are just contributing factor you spot. People know one time you then find say women when stay home and women are do house work or them kind of things. You see it, so them when they home and take care of children them. See? And the man them when go out and work and the man them are hustle and them do them things. But watch you now. Things turn whisper, the women them have more jobs than the man them. And the women them probably earn more than enough of the man them same way too. So when you look on it like, women depend this independent women campaign. See, and that destroy one next part of we lifestyle what we not pay attention to because of the glitter and the glamour of being independent. See, you want to have your own things and you want to have your own of that, and you don't want you and your man to work together, and you understand. So the independence where enough of the women them are ask for, I want propagate through dancehall music, because the women them express, as me say, what you saw me in the dancehall space, and the go-go dancer them now, them used to do them prostitution on the side. And you find say that is a reflection of how we see the female dancer them dress, how them sell the kind of music what them sell and them kind of things. So them use the activity to become like a poetic hustle. See? So them tell the story of the go-go dancer them, then tell the story of the prostitution them. The prostitution activity, sorry. So I saw what we call we culture, I saw it farm, You see, and it not take no 2D or 3D for them things they happen, You see it's over generations them sitting there. And we idolize the youth them where put out them music, cause guess what, you see dancehall music, it bring certain kind of enrichment to, as I say, a certain demographic of society. You see, because if I name for the dancehall, we wouldn't have some of the youth them where, you understand, get rich and them kind of things. So not like I say, me I knock the dancehall per se, but we are talking about how things evolve to which part it there. Because money get involved in it. And from money get involved in it, then people have to go dabble and link up, and you understand, and music is a thing where not the music but the business, the industry is a thing where cause whole heap of rift between people. So you find them kind of things there play out in how people treat each other in the industry. You see, people have to be crafty amongst one another. You see it? And them things they cause whole heap of little rift and fallout and them kind of things there. And people cuss some people and say they sell out and them kind of shit. You see it? As them a do Buju Banton. Because I see it where them a say Buju Banton sell out Jamaica, and they must say him sell out the culture and them kind of things there. Forget visa, and may I question say if them things are even necessary, because you understand, if we did see them people here for what them is, we wouldn't have to get over we head and a question them kind of things there. Even business, whether him get a visa to go back a foreign, yes or no. Because them are entertainer and them do entertainment. You understand? And if part of being an entertainer is to go to America, because that's the more lucrative part of the business, or if otherwise, once it entail entertainment, We must see that and see them as that. See? Because when the people conflate this whole thing where they must say the Rasta reggae artists, them see it as the leaders of the movement, you know. Them see the Rasta reggae artists them as the leader of Rasta movement, and you understand, me can express this no more than how me express it. It is different. You see it? You have one set of man where them are Rasta movement. It was a revolutionary movement, and it was a rebel movement. But guess what? Rasta they equipped for the kind of stance what they may want to take at the time. So you will find some people when want to take it political and it create division where some man say no, they're not going to involve up with no politics. And then it went take one next level with part. The man them they have enough numbers and they have enough resource for take it to that level same way too. So what the man them decide is for do the revolutionary movement through the music, the struggles, the liberation, what we da cry for. Them want that to be expressed through the music. But now the players of that particular job, them realize it lucrative. So it became a business, a career. So if we stop, see the artists them for what they are not. You see, because them are no liberation fighter. The people them where you hear enough of the artists them are advocate against. When them go up on them photo shoot and them go up on tour and them go up on all kind of different sitting, all kind of different magazine account interview them, all kind of different TV company account deal with them, and you understand, media personnel, people that take pictures and this and that, all of them link with them kind of people sometimes somehow crossing a them career. And that's the real fact of the thing. But them a do business. See, so in order to do them business, them have to partake in what they happening. You understand? Not necessarily get personally involved in it, but you understand? You are talk to them people, you are express with them, you are whatever, you sit down on them talk show and all kind of different things. See? Because that's a part of the whole marketing thing. That's a part of the entertainment business, and we have to just wake up and understand, say, entertainers are just entertainers. See? And what happen in the entertainment world is what happen in the entertainment world. If them say people are get sacrificed over there, well, me don't know about them kind of sitting there. Because if them sitting there go on, that means the music industry, it involved in some kind of dark cult and them kind of things there. So, me not sure. Me don't know what go on over there, so. You understand? So, we have to learn how to just know, say, when the money put out some music, because music, it come with word and sound. And you have some artists where, as me say, some poet them, so them good with words. They can put words together. And if them can create a melody, and the melody they bring the feelings, then you know, say, they can play upon people emotion with whatever message they want to send across. So if you understand, so the artists them day night for sell hope, they sell dreams, the women them sell sex, and all of them things. And if you learn for just see it for what it is, and not see them for more than what they are, entertainers. Stop make them become the lords over with life, and tell we what they do and all kind of things. And then when we see them do some things where them they supposed to do, then we get disappointed and start to feel hurt in ourselves, because we won't put too much trust in them people here. So now because we put them in a some God stature, it's almost like we feel like so them can't make mistake anymore. So when time we see them make some mistake, it's almost like we want to see them get punished forever for it. So I want to say give thanks to the reasoning again, and as I said before, I hope say somebody might pick up some sense out of the little ramblings that we are rambling. You see it? So I want to say blessed love to people, and I want to say give thanks again for the subscription. You see it? Heart of love. Think wise. Take care of your family. And live good. Yeah, man. Blessed love. Rastafari.